Hello viewers, welcome to the learners nursing classes. Today we will be doing multiple choice question based on anatomy and physiology. In human body, sebaceous glands are not found at, see here, palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. So the option is both B and C. The substance that keeps the hair soft and pliable and gives a shiny appearance is known as sebum. द फंक्शन ऑफ द स्किन इंक्लूड एक्सेप्ट, इसमें से कौन सा स्किन का फंक्शन नहीं है? सी मेंटेनिंग द बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज वन फंक्शन ऑफ द स्किन. Vitamin D synthesis is the function of skin. Excretion of urea when kidneys are not functioning is one of the function of the skin. So here the answer is production of the cerumen is not the function of skin. Branch of science in which study of the structures of the body organ is done is known as, see here the answer is anatomy. Study of function of various body organ is done in physiology. The percentage of body weight formed by body water in an adult is about 60%. In following which gland directly affects the function of other endocrine glands? So here the answer is pituitary gland. In following which is the example of ECF, that is extracellular fluid? So CSF, that is cerebrospinal fluid, is the example of extracellular fluid. The smallest functional unit of the body is, this answer is known to everybody, iska answer hai cell. The cell from which human body develop is known as, see, zygote. Answer is zygote. Which is the largest organelle of a cell? See, nucleus is the largest organelle. Nature of phospholipid molecules found in plasma membrane of the cells is, see here, the nature of the phospholipid is hydrophilic, that is attracting the water. Hydro means water and philic means attracting the water, and hydrophobic means away from, phobia. So related to phobia, dar, pani se dur, hydrophobic. So here the answer is both A and B. How many number of phospholipid layers are found in the plasma membrane of the cell? See, there are 2 layers. Which body cell contains no nucleus? So हमारे बॉडी में कौन से वो सेल हैं जिनमें कोई न्यूक्लियस नहीं प्रेजेंट होता है? दैट इज RBC, सो दैट उनकी ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा हो. द सेल कंटेंट्स एक्सक्लूडिंग द न्यूक्लियस इज नोन एज cytoplasm, where the other small bodies are floating like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. The watery fluid of a cell in which many organelles are found including nucleus is known as cytoplasm. The superficial layer of skin is called as, here the answer is epidermis. The innermost layer of the epidermis is called as germinative. The color of the skin is affected by the, हम हमेशा कहते हैं melanin. So answer is melanin. Pigment melanin is secreted by melanocytes. Blood vessels are found in, see, both epidermis and the dermis layer. Function of skin includes the protection, the regulation of the body temperature and formation of the vitamin D. So all above. Temperature regulating center is present in which part of the brain? See, it is present in the hypothalamus. Vasodilatation of blood vessel of skin causes heat loss. In following which is the largest organ of the body? See, liver. The most important function of sweat gland is maintaining the body temperature. In following which cell produce collagen and elastin fibers? So see here the answer is fibroblast. The space between the vocal cord is known as glottis. Which is the largest cavity in the human body? See, the answer is abdominal cavity. The concentration of oxygen in inspired air is 21%, because the atmosphere oxygen percentage is 21%. The fertilization process completes in the fallopian tube. In following, which organ is known as a windpipe? See, the trachea is called as windpipe. Which organ is superiorly associated with trachea? The answer is larynx. A nerve that helps in the process of smelling is olfactory. The olfaction means smell, so olfactory nerve. The total number of lobes found in the right lung are 3 lobes. In following, which is not an organ of the respiratory system? Esophagus, because it is the part of the digestive system. The largest gland of the human body is liver. In which cavity kidney is situated? Kidney is situated in the abdominal cavity and it is present retroperitoneal. Enzyme which helps in the digestion of the fat is, see, the answer is lipase. The powerhouse of human cell is mitochondria. It is also called as the energy house. Deltoid muscle is found in the upper arms, जहाँ पे हम IM injections भी देते हैं deltoid में. Sinoatrial node is located in which part of the heart? See, it is located in the right atrium. It is also called as the pacemaker of the heart. The main muscles used in respirations are, see, both intercostal muscles and diaphragm. The structure known as pacemaker of the heart is SA node. Total number of ribs in human body are 12 pairs. Mediastinum is found in the thoracic cavity. Appendix is situated in the right iliac fossa. Infection of the fallopian tube is called as salpingitis. The total number of the bones in human body, the answer is 206. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share.